Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Joel, and Rachel and I, about 3 months ago, had our third child. And we had a whole bunch of baby stuff already from our first two kiddos, so we really didn't need much. So we found this product that is a game changer, totally good, and it is the Owlet Smart Sock 2. And we wanted to show you how easy it is to use and what we like about it. So let's take a look. So this is the Owlet Smart Sock version 2, and it tracks your baby's heart rate and oxygen levels. So let's open it up. The Owlet Smart Sock 2 comes with a good guidebook, very easy to follow, really good information, and the app is really easy to follow as well. It comes with the docking station, and the docking station has this rim, and that's what glows. And so it'll glow different colors. And so green is your friend, and green will actually track that this is connected properly. And this does play music, so it is a loud noise for it to notify you when there is a difference in the baby's heart rate or oxygen levels, or the sock is out of range, or something is not connected properly. So real easy to follow. It has two indicator lights, the Wi-Fi that is connected and the sock that is connected. And then it also has this big button that once it's on the surface, you can hear that. That's what's clicking it on and off, and then also turning off the notification whenever you're done with the notification. So it's real easy to use. And then the Smart Sock, of course, it shows you how it's wrapped on baby's foot, heart rate on the bottom, O2 sensor here on top, and it has a Velcro on the side and then on top. So unwrap it, and you can see the sensor. And it also gives you good information on the sock, and so it says 0 to 1 month typically, 6 to 8 pounds, and this is the smart sock you can use. And this actually shows you behind the pinky toe. So that little dot should go right behind the pinky toe, and that little divot should go and follow right on the side of the foot. So basically right behind the pinky toe, and then lay down the Velcro and Velcro it up. So it should fit just like that, right around the ankle, and there you have it. In it a little bit further, it has the other two socks available for you. And so it's different sizes. That's the Smart Sock 3, and this is the Smart Sock 2, so it's just different sizes. And then your power cables, of course. This one is the one to charge the sock, and so it's easy to plug in. And then it'll plug into your base station. So your base station has two plugs, so it's easy to plug in. And so now it can charge once this is actually charged or plugged into the wall. So this is the Owlet Smart Sock 2. I failed to mention, but it is from 0 to 18 months of age. Next, I will show you about the app and how it's used. All right, guys, let's dive into the Owlet app. My wife and I really like this app. It's really user-friendly, and it does have really good information. On the first screen, it's my favorite screen because it provides you with all the information you need right when you open up the app. When the baby has the Owlet on, it immediately starts recording and giving you live feed data. It has the heart rate monitor on the left, and it has the averages and the O2 sensor on the right. It has the baby's information above it, the baby name, and the picture that you can add to it, and it tells you what device you're using. And at the bottom of the page, it has the history, the guide, and the account. And so I'll talk to you a little bit about that in just a minute. But I wanted to inform you that the most helpful thing on this whole app were the question marks. They give you a lot of valuable information. So I've clicked on almost all of them. So up at the top, the baby boy status, and tells you what you can look for and what the readings are and what they mean. And then it also gives you the camera status. So in case you wanted to get the camera, it gives you that option as well. And then you scroll up and you see that my sock is not on my baby and it's actually charging, and the charge is complete. The base station, the sock is actually plugged in right now, and as you see, base station is really faint. That means the sock is plugged in being charged. And if it was unplugged and the sock was on baby, then there would be an option on the right hand side. You can barely see it, but it would be an option to turn on the base station from the phone, from the app, instead of actually clicking the physical button on the base station. So that makes it nice. So below it has the base station Wi-Fi. It tells you if you're connected or not, and then you can click on the question mark and it can walk you through connectivity issues. And if you click on the Learn About Wi-Fi connectivity at the bottom, it takes you to the Owlet web link Help Center. And this is a fantastic resource. I've used it several times to look up some of the information, a little more detailed information, troubleshooting, just helpful tips. But let's get back over into the app. And then once I get back in, it will auto-populate. The gear right next to the image of the Smart Sock and Dock station is the Assign To baby boy, and you can add a child if you'd like. Gives you the notifications here underneath it as well, and you can change those if you want to. Then at the bottom, the history, you can look at different days, you can look at last night's sleep, and at the top, it actually shows you the sleep data, the O2 data, and the heart rate monitor data, and all of these are click friendly. So once you click on it, you can actually see the sleep data. If you scroll to the left, you can find out the data that you want from last night's sleep, and everything is changing here underneath it as well whenever you scroll across it. You can change the date if you want to look at a couple days ago. And then also, if you click the three buttons on the top right, it allows you to jump to today and or build a report. Click that back arrow. You can see the previous date, or you can see last night's sleep and the day prior to that. And then if you click on the graph up at the top, right in the middle, if you wanted to see all three data points at the same time in the graph form, this gives you that option. The sleep data, the O2 data, and the heart rate, of course. And you can scroll to the next day, and or you use the arrow buttons and it'll get to that next day. Then you click on notifications at the top, and this is where in the event you do have a notification, it will populate here. But down at the bottom of the screen, you see guide. And this is the most helpful menu option in the whole app. It provides you how-tos with YouTube video clips that you can watch, and also descriptions and instructions below each one. So if I click on how to put on baby's sock, it gives you a quick video that you can watch, and then also gives you the description underneath. And tips and tricks was a really good one, because people that travel might want to know how to turn on and off the Smart Sock sensor. So this is a quick, simple tip and trick that you can to be able to turn off the sensor and then be able to turn it back on whenever you're ready to put it in use. So read up on that. And then whenever you click the account button, menu button at the bottom, it'll show you my profile, how-to videos, and the help and support center. And it can provide you with the customer service of chat, call, and email, and then looks at other products and troubleshooting and terms and conditions. And then you can add devices in this location as well if you do get another sock and or get the camera. And up at the top on the right hand corner, you see chat, so you should be able to talk to a person or someone to be able to help out with any issues that you might have. And that's the app. Rachel and I really like it, that it is user friendly. All the information is live streaming, and I hope you guys really like it as much as I do. All right, guys, that was the Owlet Smart Sock 2. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Each week, Rachel and I want to leave you with a positive quote. And the positive quote this week is, "Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great," by John D. Rockefeller. All right, guys, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Click subscribe if you want to see more from the Family of 5 quick tips. And then hit that bell if you want to see the latest whenever it comes out. But you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching. Bye.